Okay, fuck me, sorry. Hello guys, today I am gonna play... What the fuck is wrong with me, man? Oh, oops. Okay, so you know who this is. This is mentally defective street nigga. You remember that guy, right? No, you don't. Fuck. Actually, I'm not mentally defective street nigga. I'm mentally defective grandma, which is very nice because I like that name a lot. And so today I've been playing some Doki New Eyes. It's a very good mod. You should play it. It's very long. I've been playing for 6 hours the past 3 days, maybe. Yeah, that's how long it's been, and I still didn't finish the mod. And we're very close to beating the game. Okay, I have this save over here. I did not play it. Okay, and it's spooky. It's very spooky. So I'm going to record myself playing this mod, the end. Okay, and yeah, this is when I first started. It was today is 28th. Okay, so 2 days ago, and I already finished the mod. Okay, wow. Okay, so the mod is about base Doki. It's literally just the base game, but through Yuri's perspective. You're playing as Yuri, not MC Yuri, and it's very cool. I like it a lot, and there's a lot of dialogue. There's a lot of everything. Yuri is Natsuki's friend from Natsuki's his childhood friend, and they're hanging out with each other a lot, but Natsuki doesn't actually sound like Natsuki. I noticed that. She sounds like Monica or whatever. And Smradoljub, my MC, he fell for Natsuki, and Yuri is jealous. And MC went with Natsuki on Friday. Yeah, when they were supposed to do the preparations for the festival. MC went with Natsuki, and now Yuri is jealous. She's also cutting herself with a knife. Her hand is covered in cuts and shit, and it's very, very, very good. Okay, so enough that. Let's go and play some Doki New Eyes. This is the end of the mod, I think. I'm not sure. I don't have a lot of time to record, only 50 minutes. I think that'll be enough. I've been playing for what? 7 minutes? What? Oh, I restarted the game. Oh, fuck me. I've been playing for an hour now. I have 1 more hour. Let's go. Bam! I'm gonna have a different voice, by the way. A spooky voice. What? Where? What is this place? Just what is happening? Where's Monica? Where's everyone? Yeah, I really like the music. It's very spooky, and I like spooky stuff. And so this is Monday, the end of the base game. So I think it's the end of the game, the mod, I mean. And everything is like this. Fucked up images of whatever. Her house was also like this. The story or whatever it's called, I don't know. Why do I feel this way? Stop! Stop this! Stop! Oh! Jesus Christ. It's Monica. Also, I can't press right click to get the fuck out of here. I can't press right click to like hide this text thing. If I do it, it will go to the saves. That sucks ass. Monica! Triple dots. Monica! Thank God! Do you know what's happening? You're not supposed to be here. Oh God. You're not supposed to be here. Triple dots. What do you mean? This is the festival! We're all supposed to be here! No! There is no festival. There is no festival. Actually, there's nothing at all. Why are you here? Hi, Triple Dots. What's going on? Where are the others? Triple Dots. Let me take care of everything, Yuri. Sayori is fucking dead. Natsuki is dead. Yuri is gonna die. Probably. Next time, don't forget. This is about me. Don't interfere. What? How did I interfere? What are you talking about? Just a second. Let me fix this quickly. 3 dots. I'm sorry. I know this won't count in a few seconds, but I'm sorry, Yuri. You have to understand. Reloading script game. What the hell is going on?